Alright, Nala, you ready to go for a ride? We gotta put your harness on. Turn this music down so I don't get busted for, you know, playing copyright music. We wouldn't want that to happen. So we'll see how this works. Maybe I'll talk about my setup here. Hopefully that microphone's working. And looks like that back camera's working. As long as that back camera's working, I got good audio from my mic. Try to hook it up this way. So it's been a long time since I've really done any vlogging. You know, vlogging that's... Oh. I gotta turn Do Not Disturb on. Keep getting these calls. No, I don't want to talk to you. Okay. How do I do that? Focus. Do Not Disturb on. Thank you. Let's see if I got a connection here with my Wi-Fi. So it's really a process to get all this stuff going. It takes like a day to get it all set up. Let me switch over to my phone, hopefully. Alright, it looks like I'm on my phone. Looks like that camera's rolling. Put my gloves on. You doing okay back there, Nala? Okay. You ready to go? Alright. So yeah, it's a process to get all this stuff going. Today I'm actually running with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cams. So this would be a multi-cam edit for sure. And I probably won't turn the cam on the helmet until we get to Hillsboro, I think. So all right, let's get going here, and I'll tell you about my setup. So yeah, this front camera here keeps shutting off. What a piece of shit. I wonder if it's that cable. I'm gonna stop up here and change the cable. I had problems with some of these cables at one time. And so let's see, is Nala's camera still going? Yeah, Nala's camera's still going. Let's see. Nala's camera up here's not going. So it's like the battery just quits. Right here. might be a bad cable. So I changed the cable out in this camera. I think it might be a bad cable. Hopefully that's the problem. I see Nala's camera is still running. That's good. It's really aggravating when you spend so much time on this, on setting this stuff up, and then as soon as you get on the road, it doesn't want to work. Okay, I think I got my problem fixed. I think it's that cable. Nope. This camera's already stopped. What the fuck? I'm about ready to give up on these damn cameras. I swear. And I guess that's why I stopped using these little camera adapter things. I don't know what they're called. I have to look them up. But it seems like I've always had problems with these things. These things here, these cases. We'll see. I think they're okay now. So I think there was a bad cable. And if that was a bad cable, it would cause both cameras to mess up on me. So I think we're good to go. We'll try that. All right. All right, hopefully I got my sound back on my microphone. Nala, you doing okay? You ready to go? We'll see. We'll see how long the camera's going to stay on this time. Okay, so I need to find where we're going on my map here. Sandy Creek covered bridge. Sandy Creek covered bridge. Alrighty. And I don't really want to get on new Highway 21. I want to stay. I want to drive. How do I tell it not to go on the highway? Alrighty. Cameras are still rolling. I think we're good to go. We'll try this again. And then I'll tell you about my setup. So I'll have to take some pictures of my cameras and how they're hooked up. I think I had a bad cable causing a short in my battery. So we'll see, because both cameras were kept shutting off. My facing camera and my front camera both are running off the same battery. And this camera here kept giving me the little band-aid symbol, you know, telling me that, oh, I got to repair this file. It's like, it seems like every time I use these little cases, I would get that problem. But then I recall I was having problems with that cable that I just changed out. So I don't know why I didn't throw that cable away. You doing okay, Nala? Huh? Alright, I'm going to unplug this for a second.
Can I take a picture of your dog?
You can.
Oh my god, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Her name's Nala. Say, can you smile?
Hey.
You can see her videos on YouTube if you like to watch them.
Oh yeah?
It's a...
Hey, sweetie. Hi, you're cute.
The channel is Harley Vloggers, all one word. Like Harley motorcycle, but vlogger with a D instead of a D. So
Okay.
Harley Vlogger.
Okay.
We ride all over aerial videos and ride videos.
Oh, she's so cute. Huh.
If you see us, say hi.
All right. Have a good day.
All right. Just say, hey, we met you at Casey's, remember? All right. All right, let's go. Okay. I'm gonna plug this microphone back up here. I can't believe it. I got 5 cameras actually going at one time. How remarkable is that? I hope my battery didn't go dead on me. I'm sitting there with my lights on. See, Nala is just chick magnets, you know? She attracts the chicks. I'd hate to back up into somebody. Alrighty, we're on our way. See you later, ladies. Oh, wonderful me. I get behind a truck. All right, we're on the road again. On the road again. We're on the road again. I can't believe I still got 5 cameras running. That's remarkable. And I got a microphone that's working. I'm pumped. Okay, I gotta turn right up here on Old Lee May Ferry Road. I think I'm gonna stop here and change the direction of that camera on my wheel well, because I don't know which camera is bad. I got one, I don't know which direction is bad, but I can flip it. if I could get this thing in neutral, there we go. Man, this is a big bike. You don't want to lay it down out here in the middle of nowhere by yourself because there's not anybody here to help you, right? I gotta unplug this camera for a second. What do you know? This camera's still on. Seem to figure out how to flip it now. I guess I have to figure that out later. Let's get back to what we were doing. I'm good. Alrighty. I remember when I came this way before, when I came here before I got lost. I had to stop. I stopped here at this fire station, I think, and asked them where the Sandy Creek Bridge was at. They said that way. I'm like, oh, okay. So it's kind of weird, you know. Oh, man, look at that house. They need to. That's some cool old houses there. How you doing? That looked like Keith Eldridge. Huh. Could have been. So here we are. Sandy Creek Covered Bridge. Nala can't wait. So yeah, I think maybe I can just start going to some places, you know, closer to home. I don't have to go to the Ozarks every time to some fantastic place to fly. I can just go close by. This would be a pretty video here. I remember being here before. It was nice, but I got a much better drone now. Nobody here. Well, there's a couple people here. How you doing? Okay, well, Noah, you ready to get off?